When the British Empire, through the Royal Niger Company, came to Nigeria and started gaining influence in 1807, they only had one mission: to gain control of all of Nigeria's economic resources. And they did get control of these resources, mostly through force. This brute force was applied across the protectorates and colony later known as Nigeria. This is the story of how one tribal group resisted the British Army in a way they had never seen before. The rarely documented struggle between the British and a united underground Igbo resistance group called the Ekumeku lasted for 31 years. The origins of the Ekumeku Movement. In the late 1880s, shortly after the Berlin Conference of 1884 to 1885, where European superpowers partitioned African countries, the Royal Niger Company, RNC, a British firm trading in the Niger area, was expanding their domination from Lagos towards western Igboland, which included the Niger Delta and Asaba. While British traders were doing business with locals before the conference, the power dynamics shifted even further in the colonizers' favor after the conference. They made all the laws, determined trading, with whom to trade, how much to trade, and lived as overlords in places where they were only welcomed through the force of their guns. There were claims that RNC exploited its monopoly far in excess